So if you're relatively new to the coaching world, then there is a very good chance you believe one of the most common myths that is keeping you stuck in your business. You don't want to be stuck, do you? In this video, I'm going to cover the 4 most common coaching myths that I see in the industry and what you need to do to move past them and be successful in your business. Myth number 1, a website will get you clients. Sweet, my website is launched and now I just need to sit back and wait for those clients to roll in. This is a myth. Online business actually has very little in common with in-person practice. With in-person practices, you can rely on people seeing you on the street and walking into your business. But in online business, this is never gonna happen. So my website won't get seen by anyone? People are not just gonna happen to come upon your website. It can take years of search engine optimization, website indexing, and blog writing before you get any meaningful amount of traffic to your website. Search engine optimization, website indexing, writing. That sounds like a lot. If you want to be successful online, you need to continually put yourself out there with strategic marketing, like social media, public relations, or paid advertising. When I started my business, I was freaking obsessed with my website. I was always working on it, always changing it, always optimizing it. And as it turned out, basically no one actually found me through my website and became a client. It was actually through in-person workshops and a lot of effort with social media that I was actually able to get clients. Okay, so I should stop tweaking my website and look for ways to actually get seen, right? Got it. I wish, just like you, that building a business was as easy as just pushing publish on a website. Boop. But it's not. Be prepared to consistently dedicate yourself to putting yourself out there in order to acquire clients. Yes. Myth number 2, you can build your business for free. $100 a month for landing page software? What the fuck? So expensive. I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do it for free. And maybe I'll just wait to have clients before I spend money. The barrier to starting an online business is really low, and what I mean by that is you do not need to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars of capital in order to get started. Really? Yes, and this is great, but it leads a ton of coaches to believe that they do not need to invest in order to start a business. And that, my friend, is gonna keep you stuck and playing small. So I should spend money earlier on instead of trying to do it all myself? Huh? You do not need to invest a lot, but you should expect to pay about $300 to $400 a month in software that's gonna save you time, make your life easier, and actually help you make money. Okay, so I need to spend money instead of using up all my time, but what if I don't have money? And if you don't have money, I recommend getting a line of credit or a business loan. I believe the universe only gives you what you can handle. If your business isn't ready to take on the amount of clients that you actually want to work with without imploding, that's a sign that you need to invest and get your business ready to take the amount of clients you need to hit your goals. Myth number 3, your health certification is all you need. Sweet, I just got my certification and now I am ready to have a business.
3 weeks later.
Oh my God, I have no idea what I'm doing. Why is nothing working? Why don't I have clients yet? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but when you graduate from your educational program, you are still wildly unprepared to be successful in your business. I thought all I had to do was get certified and then I'd get clients and they would find me and I'd be successful and I'd have all the money. It's unfortunate, but few institutions actually teach business. And if they do, they teach you outdated business models or they teach you things that could work in person, but will never, ever work online. Wow, well, they didn't tell me any of that when I enrolled in the program. I mean, that kind of sucks. Womp womp. It feels like a rude awakening when you realize that you need just as much education in business as you do in health. And the best thing you can do is hire a coach or a mentor who can lay out the path, lay out the journey for you so that you actually know what to do in order to hit your goals. Myth number 4, giving clients good protocols will actually get them results. What is going on with Susie? I gave her such amazing information, but she is not doing the work. So with your health coaching or practitioner program, they probably gave you a lot of great education on how to create and deliver protocols to your client. But they didn't actually teach you how to make people do the protocols or do the work. But she's not doing the work. She keeps showing up at appointments having not done anything I told her to do. Susie is a bad client. Just because you give people great information does not mean they're going to take action. It's really important to understand the psychology of change so that you can actually set people up for success. I have to learn about psychology too? I have so much work to do. The best way to actually help your clients be motivated to take the action that they need is by creating something called a signature online program. And what this does is it breaks down the journey into education, milestones, action steps, and support that helps move them from problem to solution. If you want more information on how to build a signature program, check out my video called Elements of a Killer Online Program, and I'll make sure to link to that below this video. So just to summarize, the 4 myths are that are keeping you stuck. Number 1, a website will get you clients. Number 2, you can build a business for free. Number 3, your health certification is all you need. And number 4, giving clients protocols will get them results. So I hope this video is going to help you avoid these common myths. Good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next video.